question number 6. Question 6 here says, discuss the role of fishery in enhancement of food production. Okay, fisheries will give you yields of fishes and variety of seafood. So, fishery is a kind of industry which is concerned with the catching, processing and selling of fishes, shellfish like prawns and mollusks. Mollusks will include crab, lobsters, etc. or other aquatic animals such as crab, lobster and edible oysters, etc. Okay, so fishery is what? Anything that is seafood. So it will be growing, catching, maintaining and selling of the fish. So right, fishery is a kind of industry which is concerned with the catching, processing or selling of fish, that is or shellfish like prawns, mollusks or other aquatic animals such as crabs, lobsters and edible oysters, etc. Now, a large section of Indian population such as uses fish and many other aquatic animals such for the food. So, large population of India uses fish and many other aquatic animals as food. These animals serve as cheap source of animal protein that is easily digestible, and thus fisheries play a significant role in enhancement of food production. Okay, so fish will be full of protein, and nowadays when you are dieting you need to have lean fat and lean protein, and you will get that from fishery. So these animals will serve cheap source of what? Protein that is easily digestible, which is easy on your gut. Thus, fisheries play a significant role in enhancement of food production. So students, this is your question number 6.